How you do? You alright? Right, another one. New flavour. Salt and pepper chicken pie from Hearn's Bakery on Nuttall Street in Accrington. Given to me by the lovely Kath Holmes. Says it's a really nice pie. So, let's delve straight in. Nice short crust pastry. There we go. Nice full pie. Yeah, you can see the red pepper in it. Right. I think you'd have a nightmare trying to eat this by hand. It's definitely going to have to be on a plate job. Look at the size of chunks of chicken in it. Proper chicken breast. Just falling apart. Very succulent. It's a tasty pie, this. Definitely a pie on a plate with a meal, I think. Yeah, getting a little bit of a kick. That's plenty of chicken in it, and it's just falling to bits. Yeah, a very tasty pie, this. Decent pastry. Like I said, I've reviewed a couple from here. It's a good pies. It's a good bakery. I highly recommend it. Right, it's not too much pepper in it. It's just a nice constant flavour. Right. Finish rest in a minute. Let them swing. Right, so salt and pepper chicken from Hearn's Bakery in Accy. Like I said, very tasty. A bit sloppy in the sense there's no way you could bite into it holding it. You'd have to eat it on a plate like this. Good pastry. Good short crust pastry all the way around. Nice bit of a crisp on top with a crust. Succulent big piece of chicken. I'm going to give it out of 20. A bang on 17. It's a really tasty pie, this. You'd enjoy it. There you go. Keep your recommendations coming. See you soon.